The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Very good morning, fellas. Guys, today is Thursday, May 19. Tom, good morning. Arjan, Jonathan. Guys, good morning. Good morning to you all. Good morning, good morning. We are getting a good morning, Dennis. Greg, good morning. Leo, we're getting a push higher, fellas. Melody, good morning. We are getting a bit of a push. Markets were down. NASDAQ was down 200. We're currently down about 90. ES off 30. YM still struggling off 200 and change. EMD and Russell down. Let's see. Crude is off $1 and change. Just kind of chop. There's the 8 o'clock bell. Good morning, John. Kind of chopping around here, fellas. In any event, we do have some 8:30 news. I have no bots on at this point. Let's see here. Thursday. I don't care about continuing or initial jobless claims. Well, existing home sales at 10. So we don't really have any news this morning. Philly Fed at 8:30. I expect that'll be a miss. Morning, Nick. Guys, if you're here on trial, good morning and welcome. We do have a few of you starting today. If you guys are in the room, good morning. For those of you that began on Monday, you as well, Josh. Good morning and welcome back. Made over 1,000 on 6 accounts from 3 a.m. until 8 a.m. Nice job, John. Using the trade copier? Yep, nice. Guys, did anybody get funded? Anybody pass a combine between yesterday when we closed the room and this morning? Anybody pass a combine? Anybody in the room pass one? So I don't think we have anybody quite through yet today. All right. Let's see what we got going on here, guys. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. The question is, do I want this reversal? Nice job, John. So you're within $1,000 of 6 accounts. I have 4 accounts, all within 1,500 currently. But because I don't know how to use the trade copier on multiple instruments, I'm trading them all, individually. Paul, somebody's got to show me how to set that thing up. Yeah, I'm kidding. I'm teasing you, Paul. Yes, that would be great, though. All right, fellas. Let's see here if I can find the disclaimer and we'll get on with it. I would expect a little bit of a pullback before we go, but sorry, guys, I'm looking for my disclaimer. Perfect. John, will you send those to me when you get them tonight or tomorrow? I appreciate it. Let's see here. There it is. All right, fellas. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. All right, guys. Morning, Harold. If NASDAQ comes below 15, I do like that short below 15. Let me take a look at order flow real quick. And we've got small sellers, heavy volume, but small sellers. They bought a bunch of these back in the pre-market. NASDAQ below 15, I think will work lower. Let's see here. Not sure if we'll get a sell or not. No. And yet, another funded trader, fellas. First one of the day. Chad, who? Apex? Nice job, Randy. Chad, who'd you use? Apex. Got another funded trader, guys. Getting them through. Getting them through. Here is the sheet. Here's where we are. You can see it's, aside from Monday, Monday was a bad day, right? Monday was a bad day for virtually everybody. Although we do have, like Marsha has been green every day. But for the most part, it was green or red. Tuesday, Wednesday, all green, except for just a few. But these are our totals. Some of you guys have not sent me anything. Mark, you sent me yours yesterday. I have it. Some of you guys have not sent me any totals. I have some that have, Tony, Rick. I don't have yesterday's for these guys, or Tuesday or Wednesday. Yep, I got yours this morning, Rich. Yep, thank you. I'm tracking them, fellas. Esther George will be speaking. She's a hawk. She'll be on TV, 8:30. Crude is shorts. Did anybody take crude short? Target one is about 50. Okay, Glenn. Okay, Paul. Just started again last night. Traded 3 to 6 a.m. So you're done for the day. Ron, send me your totals. Don't forget. Okay, Chuck. Don't forget to send me totals, guys. Yeah, email me your totals, guys, at the end of the day, when we close the room. I generally spend about an hour putting them into that spreadsheet. All right, you're at 66. You may want to take some risk off here in crude. Nice job, Paul. Here's 60. Let these markets bounce. Let them bounce. Woo! Jobless claims. It's a miss. Next week it'll be revised down. Don't worry. Philly Fed's got to be a miss. Got to be. Come on. Come on. Ooh, 2.7 versus 15. Woo! There goes the market. Bye. Anybody like the movie Tombstone? Bye. All right, Mark, let's see. On your spreadsheet, am I line 21? Yes. Yes. Okay, Mark. Yep. That's right, Paul. All right, guys, you're almost to target. you might want to take some risk off here on crude. We got 54. 50, now we're going to get that 50. Come on. You got 53. Take some risk off if you're in crude. Take some risk off. It's a big trade. 25 ticks or so. Another order flow trade. Yeah, and I was wrong on gold. It went and got targets. So, here's the thing, guys. You're welcome, Chuck. Here's the thing, guys. I'm trying to, when I'm watching the bots set up for trades, I am trying to look at order flow and see what I see, right? So let me just show you. Here's gold. This is not a trade that I like in order flow. Okay, Scott. Trading up into the highs. Now, we are obviously making a new high. We have some buyers here. At some point, gold is going to go bananas. I'm telling you, it's going to go bananas. This year, I think gold and silver. Here come the markets. Right on cue. Anyone still holding ES short? 73 is your next target. Anybody still holding ES short? This now becomes NQ short. My target, I think, has been hit. Let me make that red again, fellas. Now it's resistance again. I must be in the down mode. Let me take a look at NASDAQ here, guys. We got my second target almost to the tick at 82. We hit 83, looks like quarter. I still think it's coming lower. Listen, guys, you can put lipstick on a pig, but it's still a pig. This market can bounce. It's still, nice job, Ray. Yeah, I had issues last night, as did many, with Apex. I mean, literally, it didn't let any of us in, Timo, last night until between 6:03 and 6:05. Normally, it comes on around 5:55, and then it ran fine for an hour and a half. And many of us lost data on everything except for the YM for whatever reason. I emailed them. They said they were having a technical issue. And we would have gotten that 50 by a couple of ticks. And they very well may be having an issue this morning. I would send them an email. Wonderful, Robert. So, the Skype has. This is the second of the day, guys. Apex Lee. Apex. Second funded trader of the day. Number 2. So let me go back and do this. I'll save this for the day. I suspect we'll get some more. This morning, I gave some order flow trades. I also made some suggestions on bot trades. And I said, if anyone wants to take that ES trade, I like the trade. Now, I didn't take it. but there is no set time. There's no set time. It's not like, gentlemen, start your engines and we all leave the starting line simultaneously, meaning I may decide at 8:33 I want to trade. I may not trade until 10:50. I am trying to offset what I see in order flow for the highest probability trades on the bot, right? So this is not there's no specific time. There never has been. But generally speaking, just speaking in general terms, I don't like the first 5 to 10 minutes of the market, right? So that's generally. And generally, I am not a pre-market trader. I don't typically like pre-market. But on occasion, like the other day, I liked the setup. I don't remember if it was yesterday or Tuesday. The market moved up and then rolled over. And based on order flow, I liked the trade when I saw it roll over. So I suggested we all turn our bots on. Can that happen again? Yeah, of course. Is it going to be is it going to be a consistent thing? Steve, I would take that 9:45 time frame off. If you're going to be in the room, no, just just unclick it, uncheck it, and you don't have to change any time. But if you're going to be in the room, there's no point in having your bots set to turn on at 9:45, because if I want to take a trade, or say if there's a trade I like at 9:33, you're not going to get it. I mean, right now we're not going to get a crude trade, right? Crude is in the longs, big time longs. We're not going to get a crude trade. Gold looks like it could roll over. Let me see what it looks like. Yeah, I would think gold short should probably try to work. Hourlies are stiffly up. Yeah. I mean, it's not like it's going to happen on a regular basis, but there will be times when I decide to turn the bots on early. What I'd like to see here, based on what I'm seeing, is a pullback in the NASDAQ. I'd like it to take the short. We're going to pass on the short as I see it right now. And then we want that next up move. We may not get it, though. So here's the ES. Remember, I said if the ES takes the long above 86 half, I liked the long. And it went 86 to 95. It's 10-handle move. You don't need delta trend. No. We just got to almost 900. So we have some resistance between 900 and 925. YM is the weakest, and YM is getting a sell signal, which I am not taking. Let me look at YM. No, I don't like it. It didn't give the sell anyways. YM might trade back up to 190. We'll see what we get. I don't like the YM short at this point. NASDAQ got through 900. NASDAQ has resistance between 900 and a quarter, 925. So it's trying to bid through that resistance. Can't get through yet. ES resistance is going to be 96, 97. If it can get above 3902. Did Coles report today? Anybody know? KSS? I closed those puts I had yesterday for over 20%. I don't see Coles that they reported. All right, here we go, fellas. This is the breakout on ES. above 902. Here's your breakout. Target is 39.10. We should get 39.10. This may waffle in here, but it's breaking out. Gold short probably is a decent short. Crude, we have no trade. Getting a pullback in here. NASDAQ should trade up to 935, which was yesterday's close. ES, I need the 10-minute candle close. For an official long, but I like it long. If you guys are long ES, first target is 10. First target is 10. This is the break right here. Come on, ES, push it up. Give me some dang buyers. See what we have for blocks. Zilch. There you go. 4, 7. Come on, rat bag. 8 quarter. One more push. 10. 10. 875. Come on, dog. Give me 10. 2,600 buyers. Dang, they missed by a freaking country mile. Thank you, Mark. They weren't even close. I closed those puts yesterday. Nice job, Glenn. Up 1,500 today. I didn't get my 10, but we got 875. I still think you'll get 10. You're welcome, John. Daily goal in. Guys, you know you can take order flow trades with your funded trader account, right? You guys know that, right? You got your gold short. If anybody wanted that, that should be a good target one anyways. All right, let's go get 10. Give me 10. Come on, big guy. We may cap out at 11. We have an unfinished auction, which will be target 2 at 14.5. Not wanting shorts, fellas. Not wanting shorts. NASDAQ tagged 35, which was yesterday's close. That's the last area of resistance on NQ. At 35. There's a little bit of noise to get above at 50. 11,950. But I think she can do it. If you are holding ES. All right, let's see here, Robert. Trading the funded accounts today. Nice job. Nice job. Send me your results today, guys. 10 target hit. Target 1 hit, ES. Target 2, unfinished auction at 14.5. 14.5. Target 2, hit. Next target up, 39.25. What would it matter if my bots were on? They're in long since pre-market. I have no trades. The answer is yes, but I'm not going to get a trade. I'm trying to get you guys order flow trades, fellas. Again, you guys can trade your funded accounts on order flow. Put it on your DOM or your chart trader. All you got to do is hit buy or sell. Anybody take the ES trades? Next target up is 24.25. Nice job, Dominic. Up 975 on order flow trades. Okay, Robert. We're going up. NASDAQ breaking out. Nice job, guys. Target 1 hit, gold on the bot. Target 1 hit on the GC sell. Target 1 hit. Next target up, 22 to 24 on ES. If we can get through that, made your other funded trader account, and that's nice. Another funded trader, Rich Mitchell. Nice job, Scott. Big resistance here at 25. If anybody is in the ES long, move your stop to call it 9. Let's go 10. Target 1. Stop is at 10. Easy peasy, fellas. Easy peasy. So for those of you guys that are, starting your trial today, as you can see, this room consists of our robots and my order flow trades. They both work. Nary a pullback in sight, fellas. Not a pullback in sight yet. That's the easy money's been made. Crude is strongly bid. All right, NASDAQ is pulling back. We have a positive delta just over 1,000 cars. ES didn't quite make yesterday's close. Nice job, Earl. Up 1435. Nice job. Great job, guys. Great job. Now everybody be patient. Randall, daily goal hit on combination of pre-market bot and ES order flow. Done for the day. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Just doing what we do, fellas. Doing what we do. The next order flow class will be held in September for those that would like to actually learn order flow. That's a shameless plug. Meant to get a chuckle. All right, guys. Let's see what we got going on here, guys. Nothing. If you guys look at, good morning, said Beer. You're late, brother. If you guys, we've made a ton of money already. If you guys look at a 4-hour chart, if you look at a 240-minute, we are forming a massive reversal bar. This could get interesting today, fellas. Could get fun. All right, so guys, the easy money has been made. My bots are on. I got you guys your order flow trades, unless you passed on them. NASDAQ probably come back to 910. Let's see what happens at 910. I will take the next move up. We're going long, but we're going to get a pullback first. Small buyers, small sellers right now. If you're taking them on the chart that your bot is on, it will, Ed. If you're taking them on your DOM, then no, you'll have to use an ATM on your DOM. Morning, Otis. Yep. We're probably coming down to 910, fellas. 910. We'll see what happens at 910. We could come 08, 07 as well. So everybody be patient. The easy money was made right off the rip. Gold is turning back up. I just have a hard time buying highs, but my bot's on. I'll let it take the trade. All my bots are on, all 5 bots. Nothing is even close to a trade. All right, there's 910. Let's see if we hold. Selling a bunch back. NASDAQ could pull back now to 880. Of course you are, Harold. Absolutely. US dollar getting smashed? Good. Needs to. All right, we didn't hold 910. We held that 880 area. This could be where we start. Jason, good morning. Not that anybody can see other than me. I have nowhere to put it on the screen. I have it on a top screen. If you guys are joining late, we have already butchered and packaged today. We have killed them. We've already beat them to death. We have beat them to death. Mostly on order flow trades. Bots have had some winners. Many guys are already done. Everybody be patient, guys. Let them retrace. Let's see if we're going to get a dang sell. Looks like we're coming out of VWAP, guys. That's going to be key. I think we hold that 840 area. All right, we got a bot trade on the YM bot. So we have a bot trade on YM. First target, geez, look at this. Oh, let me get that trail on. 43 tick first target. That is a big target, and I'm not sure I dig this at all. Let me look at YM. No, we're coming down. YM is trying to break hourly support right about where it fired the trade. Those are big targets, guys. I've not seen those targets that big. If NASDAQ breaks below VWAP, ES is back below VWAP. If NASDAQ breaks down, that will help us immensely here. Come on, YM. Push right here, baby. Right here. Come on. Let's go, you rat dog. Come on. Give me those 43 ticks. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. NASDAQ broke VWAP. I think she's done. Guys, I'm at 330. If I'm over daily goal right now. This will put me at goal. If I close the bot now, I'd be at my goal. This account will be done. Audio check. Audio check. Check. Okay, thank you. Come on. Let's go. Dip, 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 dip. Oh, missed by a tick. Done for the day, fellas. Bot is done for the day. That's it. Bots are off. ES is a good short too, brother. They all go together. ES is going to need a little bit of work, and it's going to have to get below 75. But they should go together. NASDAQ, I like them as well. But did you not take the YM short, Kyle? Okay. My bots are done, guys. Up 655 for the day. Done. Everybody wants some. I want some too. I'm done. That's it. You guys having fun yet? Everybody having fun? All right. Is there anybody possibly? You're welcome, Chris. Is there anybody possibly not making money? I mean, anybody possibly not making money? All right. Robert's goal is in. Dennis's goal. Don't forget to send me your totals, guys. You used three bots. You used bots at 3 a.m. up 6 feet, up 615, and again at 6 a.m. up another 800. Nice job. But you are trading your cash account. You are not trading. You're not trading a funded account, right, Jerry? You're trading cash, correct? Yeah. Nice job, guys. Nice job, Jerry. Let's see here, Timo. Only because our trader's not working. Are you kidding? Nice job, Otis. Up 1,500. We'll hit daily gold, but took me out of the trade. You got daily gold. You still want the numbers if we didn't use? Yeah, absolutely. If you used your funded account. Nice job, Ed. Up 545. If you used your funded account, I want your totals. I don't care if you took my order flow trades, as long as it was in the funded account. Nice job, Greg. Everybody's made money. Hit them straight, fellas. Hit them straight. Tiger's teed off, so you can go watch Tiger play. Nice job, Jeff. Up 650. Still don't get funded. Yeah, okay. Let's not. I'm not going to belabor that. $17 away from being funded. Oh, man. Come on, Dennis. You can send them to me. Just give me your totals. 640, 725, whatever. Just give me the three totals. Did anybody else get funded in the last 15 minutes? We've already had 2 fully funded today. Anybody else got a funded account? I know for a fact Buy-Side Global didn't get anybody funded in the last 15 minutes. I know that. Buy-Side Global. Bear with me, fellas. Easy money's all been made. You used your funding account for the first time today and closed the bot 722. Thank you, Ray. Nice job. Now we're just slow. Gold is going long if you are taking that bot trade, and you will get your target on the long on gold. You should. Anybody long on the gold bot, it should get that first target. It's 21 ticks. So listen, guys, common sense. When I see a gold first target at 9 ticks, and then I see a subsequent trade gold first target at 21 ticks, what does that tell you? I want you guys to think this through. What does that tell you? Okay, Richard. What does that tell you? Somebody answer me. Yes, thank you, guys. Volatility is increasing. Thank you, fellas. Thank you. So for those of you guys, so here's what I'm going to do. Saturday morning, I will do education on the bot. All right. I told you. First target is 045. Take some risk off 45 ES. Maybe 4. You've got yesterday on the ES, yesterday's low is resistance at 5.5. There you go. Take some risk off here. It's got to get through yesterday's low. If we bounce through here, 7, let's call it, we trade 21.22 again. Got to go through 7. 8 is value area high, but I think we get through that. Here we go. Here we go. Anybody take the NASDAQ long? Killing it. Save 80. SAVE 80 for Apex discount. Save 80. Here you go, guys. Another order flow trade. All right, guys. NASDAQ is, you're beating them like a baby seal or a redheaded stepchild or whatever other, saying you got. Take some risk off, NASDAQ. Thank you, Jeff. Take some risk off, fellas. ES, you want your stop at break even. Matt Morgan, funded account. Happens to be Peter's son-in-law. Congratulations. I got to do it to you, buddy. Well, no, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. Hang on. Just made your goal this morning. Nice. Number 3 today. Oh, that's going to drive me nuts, being as I'm anal as hell. There we go. Apex. Nice, up 2,700 today, Earl. Josh hit his goal. Okay, another Apex, guys. Another one through. Another one through. Another one through. That's 3 today. Anybody else funded? Three today, fellas. We're going up. We're going up. We're going up. Oh, man. Some of you guys are just killing it. Chad now has 2 funded accounts. Two funded today. Oh, we got another one. These guys that didn't buy the bot at $24.97 are going to regret it. Rich, Apex. And a 5th. Got a 5th. Apex, Jim. All of them are 80% off, Joe. Thank you, Pam. $50,000 accounts. $50,000 accounts. Here we go, fellas. So today we have 6 funded accounts today alone. 6. Just today. We had 3 yesterday. Name one room. Name one room that's doing this. Just one. Just one. Not one. Not a one. 2,400 rooms. Not a one. Not one. I'll tell you what'll happen, guys. Mark my words. Yeah, 50, Joe. Yeah, Buy-Side Global definitely is not. The chipper just chips shit. It chips. Is it an ice chipper, a wood chipper, a woodchuck chipper? I don't know. Guys, they never should have taken a shot at me. I have a memory like an elephant. I don't forget. I'll tell you what's going to happen. Fargo chipper. Great series. Nice job, Josh. $50,000 accounts, guys. So, fellas, I'll tell you what's going to happen. That's right. I am a Republican. That's right. And a Christian. I think they go hand in hand. You watch what happens here. Save 80 is only good. No, it's only good through today. So if you want to here's my recommendation. You can buy a $50,000 Apex account today for $36. Go get yourself half a dozen. It's basically the cost of one, right? 5 would be equivalent to 1. Go get 5 accounts. And I don't know if their trade copier is still on sale. It is. You can buy their trade copier for $150 still. I'll tell you what's going to happen. You guys mark my words. In the next 4 weeks, yeah, we'll have Paul set it up. We've got a member that'll do it. For anybody that wants their trade copier set up, Paul will do it for you. He does charge for it. I don't blame him. His time is valuable. He owns a business in Atlanta, but he will set it up. In the next 4 weeks, 30 days, Mark. 30 days. You can always cancel them. If you fail one, you cancel it out. Remember the goal. The goal is to have multiple accounts. You will need TeamViewer for Paul to set up your trade copier. Yes. Yes. In the next 4 weeks, you will see half a dozen emails. Send me an email, Steve, and I'll respond to it with Paul's email. Anybody that would like Paul, listen, I'm going to put this out there. Anybody that would like Paul to set up your trade copier, save 80. If I were using the trade copier, okay, Charlie. If I were using the trade copier, I'd be through all of these because I keep going back and forth between accounts. I don't think you're confused, Frank. If you don't pass the combat, listen, guys, it's very simple. It's a test. If you pass the test, you go on to the next grade. If you fail the test, you have to retake the test. It's a simple process. If you fail, you don't get their money. The goal is not to fail. So the first hurdle is let's get to the goal. Then we stay funded. That's funny. You guys can try save 50 and it's still giving the 80% discount. Okay. Another glitch in their system. All right, Charlie, I'm working on it, buddy. You're obviously not taking any order flow trades. We're just backing off here, fellas, and we could pull back again. I've got small time frame long on the 10-minute. I have hourly shorts, but trying to turn up. I need hourlies on the ES to get above 39.20, and this could be a big move. I still like longs, but we're trading up into a rising 68. We don't want to trade into this. The only way we can take the long now is a break above 14.75. So call it 15 to a quarter. And then we've got this hurdle up here. We're going to trade into the high of the day. We're going to see that 33 again. The question is, where do we want to get in? I don't want to be in below the 68 as it's rising or flat, right? What I'd like is a pullback again, drop this down and go up through. Or the only long is here above this swing. We will find buyers again here. All right, let's see here, Ian. You know I've been with you a long time, and this strategy is truly fantastic. You had a problem with our trader, and Paul sorted it out, only got sorted out in the last 15 minutes. You manually traded, took 3 IM trades, and made 600. So you're very welcome, my man. Guys, listen. The program works. But here's the reality, guys. Some of you guys are afraid to take an order flow trade, scared to shit death. If you're taking it with your funded account, it is $36 if you fail. Really? The risk to reward is $36 on the downside and a funded account on the upside. Really? If you guys are, worried about $36, I would go find another profession. That's just me. Let's take a look at some option stuff real quick. See if there's anything to do here. Deepak, you in the room, man? All right, I got nothing on Tesla. Amazon trying to turn up. There's still a big gap fill in Amazon, which might be interesting, but I don't have a trade yet. Apple, really needs some work on Apple. If Apple can get back above 143, 144, this market can go. Oh, Deepak is traveling to California? Thank you, Mike. Got nothing on Google, nothing on Tesla, nothing on Microsoft, nothing on NVIDIA, nothing on AMD yet. Netflix, nothing. Costco, man, how does Costco not? Man, the world goes to Costco. Facebook, Micron, Boeing. Boeing is turning up. Home Depot. Home Depot is going to give me a long. Come on, start. In 10 minutes. It's the only thing there yet. So there's a trade here, above here, if you guys want to scalp at it. See you tomorrow, Jason. Any trials have questions, fellas? Anybody have any questions? We don't have a trade here on the ES, guys, unless we get here. So there's nothing. I still think she's going to go. And I will take that trade. All right, I popped a long. First target 19.75 to 20. I hit the long. Trade him as you see fit, but my target's at 19.75. Target 1. Call it 19 half, 19.75. Come on, beast mode. Let's go, beast mode. Come on. Give me 19 as a target. 19. 19. Come on. Come on. 19. Get above 18. What are you stalling here for? There's nothing there. 19 target hit. Booyah! Another order flow winner, chicken dinner. There you go. Anybody take that trade? 4 handles. Now you got a free trade. Free trade. Break even stop. Free trade. We're going to try to run this thing. Look. Okay, Noah, nice job. Look, we got it. This has to go. This is some pretty good resistance here at 25. If this goes, we're going to trade 45. If we get above 45, whether it's today or tomorrow, we're going to get a rip roaring short cover up to 85 and probably 4,000. Okay? A little bit more money in the bank for you folks. And another funded trader. I got to find it, guys. I want to give Apex, Mike? Apex? There you go. That's 6 funded traders today, 7 total accounts. 7 total accounts. That's right. Beat them seals, baby. Dan's 800 away from another account. Nice job, Dan. And he started today. Remember, you don't need to be a hero on day one, man. There's no award. You have to trade 10 days, correct. So if you pass in the first day or the 5th day, it's moot. You still have to do one contract trade in and out, buy, sell through 10 days. Anybody, when you get your certificates, please email me your certificates. You pay for 5 accounts and you get them funded. Yeah. When you've cleared the combine, meaning on your 10th day, at the close of the 10th day, they will send you a congratulatory certificate. Mm-hmm. Let me take a look at markets here, guys. NASDAQ's up 20 points, not much. ES is down 13 still. YM languishing down 240, so I would have no interest in that Boeing trade. Russell's up small. Gold is up 26 handles. Amazon's up $37 at this point. Nice job, Frank. $400 away on one account and over half on your second. Nice job. Yeah, I'm going to go get a couple more today before this thing expires. Looks to me, this is just a 15 range here, guys, which I like on the NASDAQ, on the ES. Let's see if this works out here. Let's see here, Patrick. You have several accounts, but trading one after the other should, according to what you say anyways, trade a micro. Yeah, if you pass on the 10th day, then you're passed. It doesn't matter if you're trading micros or minis, right? But if you pass on the 5th day, like I did on my first one, you still have to trade 5 days of micro contracts or in and out. You still have to place the trade. That's correct, Joseph. So we're not getting a consistent move. All right, natural gas inventories. Anybody interested in the natural gas trade? No, but if you do not trade really the account, you still want to have it account as a trade. Yes. Yeah, the sellers won't go away. I mean, it's back and forth. This is good trading. This is fun trading. Natural gas right now is set up for a pullback and then a long again. You can try natural gas long at 81.10. 81.10 if it pulls back there. Don't forget, if you guys are in order flow group today, the link has been sent. If you have not received your link for class, please email me prior to class. Plus 89, little larger build. I'm watching gas, but it's not doing anything. Yeah, that would be great, Paul. Look at all the guys that have already done for the day. Fellas, anybody have any questions? I mean, there goes natural gas long. It didn't come into the area I wanted, but not close enough. Missed by 30 ticks. I would have taken the long. NASDAQ kind of putzing around. YM, I have no trade. ES putzing around. Russell, same thing. Crude, no trade. Gold, I've got nothing. I'll be right back, guys. I suspect we will try to work down to that 80 and he'll get filled. We're now moving down through, trying to move down through the cloud, 10-minute cloud. We're trying to break the hourly bottom on the ES. But I think we'll see this value area low. Okay, Gary. So NASDAQ, ES hit target 1 at 6 handles. The NASDAQ did not get its target 1. YM got target 1. NASDAQ missed target 1 by, on the bot, I mean a shard, 77, maybe 4 ticks. Maybe 4 ticks. This is trying to break lower. And I believe this is coming down to that 79.80 area. Now, again, I could clearly be wrong, and it looks like we're just yutzing around below VWAP here. But they will try to force it down here for this guy to get filled. That 240, 244, whatever it is. Anybody take the bot trade short on the ES? You got target 1 at 6 handles. YM got target 1 at 55. And NASDAQ looks like it's coming into target 1 right now. Anybody take those? We should make it down to that 79.80. I have a target at 83, which I'm trying to get to. Took bot trades. Nice job, Charlie. Green on the day. All right, buddy. Send me your totals. We'll be done in about 15 minutes, guys. Come on, push it down. Let's go. Give me that 82, 83. Come on, buddy. Come on. We're trying to push it's the hourly low that's holding us. That's all. That's all it is. Hourly low. It's just hourly low. It's going to get there. It's going to get there. It's trying to break the hourly. Big support around 74.5 area. NASDAQ got first target. So let me just show you guys. Okay. My bots are off, right, because I've exceeded my daily goal. But here's the ES trade. Target 1 hit at 6.25 handles. We haven't quite gotten target 2 yet, but I believe you will. We're just forcing at the bottom of the hourly. Charlie's now green. NASDAQ got target 1, hasn't gotten target 2, but that target 1 was, guys, listen, 30 stinking handles. You see the volatility has increased monstrously. That's a $600 target 1. I suggest if you're going to trade this afternoon on different accounts, and here's YM, you guys are reducing contract size in the indices. These targets are huge, but the stops are huge. One stop will wipe you out. We're holding this trend line. But this is starting to look doesn't look good for the home team. we could walk this up, drop, and if we come below this 80, this could be over again. But we could, there could be a long here, back up to the point of control. Guys, is everybody now making money? Is there anybody that's not making money? Hey, Tom. So here's what Tom said. I definitely need to increase the price of the bot. I agree. I called True Trade yesterday for shits and giggles, and they went over 10 grand for their worthless piece of shit. Oh, I'm sorry. He didn't say piece of shit. He said worthless. Sorry, Tom. I ad-libbed it. Listen, if you guys, anybody that's here on trial, or anybody that views this video on YouTube at a later date, go out and price some of the bots that are out there. Like, for instance, you can go out and price the chipper way more than mine. Cannot make it. It doesn't make money. One of our members has it, lost $6,500 with it, and gave up on it. Price mine against any robotic system out there, and I am the lowest end. The only thing lower than mine is Ninjacators, and I like Christian, but he's just an indicator whore. That's all he is. I like Christian. I've done deals with Christian before, but he's an indicator whore. He sells every damn thing in the playbook for $49 or $59 or $79, get you on his mailing list, and then beat you into submission to buy some $499 piece of crap. Bottom line, he's just an indicator whore. At the end of the day, there's not a bot out there that outproduces mine. And I've told everybody, absolutely. And I've told everybody this in emails. I'm raising my prices. Once we get this group of guys funded, my prices are going up. Part of that, Tom, is there is everything in life is a perception, right? And it's all predicated on your perception. People believe that if something costs more, it's better, right? So when I price mine at $24.97, and my motive for pricing it at $24.97 was to allow the majority of people to be able to afford it, right? But people will look at it at True Trade, and they'll say, "Oh, for $9,900, man, this thing must be the Bentley or Rolls Royce of bots." It's not. And Paul just chimed in and says, "These are for members, guys. What I do is awesome. By keeping the prices reasonable, you give people with limited funds the ability to learn a real system to trade. You're truly a blessing." Thank you, Paul. I am working with a finance company now, and I hope to be able to offer financing. I'm sure I can. And so it'll be through a third party. And but I have every intention of raising my prices, at least to $34.97, which I think is still more than reasonable. So those of you guys that are on trial, at least through tomorrow. Now, two of you started today. Depending on where I'm at next week, and you'll notice in the emails that I send you, it is clearly marked price subject to change. Very clearly marked price subject to change. Let's see here. What's this, David? True Trade tactics for sales are make you feel worthless. The guy is very aggressive, and they want you to pay $10,000 to $20,000 predicated on what you know. No trial. They don't give you a trial or nothing. And Robert said, "Amen, Paul. I don't remember how I found Bob in this site a year ago, but I'm glad I did." Thank you, fellas. Listen. I've I think here we come down. If you look at order flow, they're going to press it into this guy to get. This guy wants to eat here at 80. Thank you, David. This guy here is going to get filled at 80, fellas. So all we're doing is we're yeah, and PayPal gives you 0% for 6 months if you have PayPal credit. At one time, I used to offer. I used to have a link for that. I don't anymore. But for instance, the company I'm working, and I can go back to PayPal. I don't use PayPal a ton anymore. I use them, but the problem for me with PayPal as a business is they kill me. Yes, Matthew. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So anybody that leased the bot, when I did the bot lease program, you guys all know you have 30 days to think about it and decide if you want to convert to the full version. If I raised the bot price tomorrow to $34.97, that does not affect you. All of you have the option to convert at $24.97 and given credit for the $4.99. So call it $2,000 difference. Any price increase doesn't affect you or anybody else. So. For instance, one of my members this morning asked me, he said, a year ago I bought the single bot. He bought the bot. He wanted to trade the Russell. He asked me, could he upgrade? And of course he can. He gets credit for that. I think he may have paid $9.97. He gets credit for that towards the $24.97. Even if I raise the price right now to $34.97, he would still get $24.97. I will never raise prices on people that are already in the room. Let me just look at this and see if this guy got filled. Oh, he didn't get filled. Now he dropped down to 75. He didn't get filled. I will never raise prices on anybody that is already in the room. But with trial members, it is subject to change. If you guys are here on trial, especially the 2 trials that began today and the one that began yesterday, you are in the middle of, potentially a price raise or hike because it's predicated on me getting these guys. It's predicated on me getting the bulk of these guys through the funded trader program. And you can see Monday was a bad day for everybody. It was a tough trade all the way around. But yes, Tuesday was a great trade. Most everybody made money. I think we had one guy down or one person down, 2. And then yesterday was a great trade. And today, nobody is losing money. Nobody's lost money today. So when these guys, and we had 7 funded today. So when these guys all get, or the majority of them get funded, I'm absolutely raising the prices. I'm telling you guys I am. Now, that doesn't affect anybody in the room, but it does to a degree. Well, no, it doesn't. So, for instance, we have people in the room that have had the 2 instrument bot for quite some time, $16.97, right? You all can still upgrade as members, regardless of where the price may go, to $24.97. I'll never change the price on anybody that's already here. In any event, fellas, we're coming into 11 o'clock. I'm done. I'm done, guys. Everybody in this room is green, correct? There is nobody that did not make money today. Is that correct? Do I have anybody that did not make money? Home Depot was along at 288.18. Let me look at this on a chart, guys. I may buy calls. Man, I can't even consider SPY. See you tomorrow, Chris. Guys, please don't forget to send me your totals. All right, I think I'm gonna take a flyer here, fellas. Well, not what I want. Green, lean, and mean. That's right. Don't forget to send me totals. So let me take a look at. I want to take a look at Home Depot. Tomorrow's the 20th, and I'm looking at 290s, 292s. 292.50s are $1.95. All right, that's what I'm looking at for this afternoon. We'll see what we get this afternoon after Europe closes. I'm looking at Home Depot calls, but we got to get past Europe because we could get a pullback here. Up 1270 on the funded bots today and finished with 4 accounts today, so a total number 5. You're very welcome, Johan. And you had a funded account the other day as well. Guys, it's almost 11 o'clock. I'm going to wrap it up. I did not turn on the original bots at all today. I just didn't want to deal with them at all. So I have no idea what they did. Let's take a look at trades because I'm tracking totals. So here is NASDAQ. NASDAQ would have taken a big winning long this morning at 609, so 1 for 1, 24 and 43 handles. Took a winning short here, 2 for 2, 14 handles. Took a big winning long here, 3 for 3. Bots had to be up enormous today, just based on this. All 3 targets hit, 3 for 3, and you would be currently in a long here. So the bot is NASDAQ, I'll track this, is currently 3 for 3. Again, I have no totals because I'm not running them, but I can figure it out just from the trades. So 3 for 3 on the NASDAQ with a 4th working, and I suspect this is a good trade. Here is ES. ES 1 for 1. So this is a initial long signal on the ES. It pulled back, did not come back into the trailing stop, and then gave a subsequent long signal. Same entry. Gave us a second signal. That's the same signal, and then went to both targets. ES on the bot today is 1 for 1. We know what the funded trader bots did, obviously. This is Crude. Crude had man, the bots had a monster day today, guys. Crude 1 for 1. Hit third target at $1,400 runner. Again, these are the originals. I didn't even turn them on today. Here is gold. All right. Gold had a winning trade here, small winning trade. First target only, 10 ticks, 1 for 1. Had a big winning trade here, first and second targets, hit third targets as well, 2 for 2. Losing short here, 2 for 3. And another big winning trade here, 3 for 4. Anybody have a bot original total for me? Got to be up over $5,000. Got to be. Your original bots were up 44.82. Yeah, it's huge. It's huge. Let's see what RTY did. Nothing. RTY 0 for 1. Had a long here. Losing trade 0 for 1. Had a short here. First and second targets. 1 for 2. Had a third trade here. Missed first target. I'd be out even though it got targets because I used the trailing stop. 1 for 3. 2 for 4. 2 for 4. 2 for 4 on Russell today. And Jeff's originals were up 44.82. So 2 for 4 on Russell. 1, 2, 1, 2. Anybody have any questions before we wrap it up? Everybody made money today. We have over 260 people signed up. Everybody made money. Guys, have a blessed afternoon.